Guys, welcome back to RVC Talk. So quickly we'll talk about today's market, what are the opportunities and a Nifty. I'm not going to cover anything on a bank Nifty, especially Nifty seems to be like good fall today. So we'll talk about Nifty. So if you look at what happened on third, right? So third is on the last trading day, we've seen some fall from here to here, right? At the last stage, there seems to be kind of an, the negative tone. It closed the market, right? And this level, you see this is actually, if I go back and put this one, so this level is actually in coinciding with the previous month VWAP. So there itself we had seen that, okay, the market is actually in a slight reversal, but today's fall is nothing to do with that. Probably, the big guys may be already prepared for that. The PEs, I don't know. But if you look at today's fall is primarily market open and a positive, and then there is a news that there are a couple of cases actually reported and whatever virus we are talking about from China, there are a couple of cases in Karnataka, and that triggered looks like major fall from here because of the panic created, and also FISs maybe selling exiting some of those their holdings. Okay, so coming to this one, when we see okay, see these things are quite common. Okay, and no reason today there are two cases this much fall, but probably tomorrow you may see the reversal is so fast, market may gap up open here, and then by the time you actually want to buy, it's crossing and then it will keep going up. So just because of the two cases, just because of some news based, I don't think only the small retail investors are the only one who get affected. Big guys always makes profit whether it's a market is rising or market is falling. And our indicator, MWD Magic level indicator, is market opens whatever direction, rise or a fall, it doesn't matter to us because it's just a level to level, and we are not going to do that indicator, technical indicators. We are not looking at any MACD, we are not looking at the moving averages, we are not looking at any other things. So if the level cross, go to the next level. It's a simple, straightforward level to level trading, right? Okay. Now you can question me if we deviate from this. Sometimes we tend to do that, but that's for a double confirmation just to see because of human tendency, right? Nothing wrong in that. Okay. Now you see this one. It's a Jan 03 last week VWAP, weekly high, daily high, and this is previous week VWAP. There are three things together. Obviously, you can expect some kind of a resistance. In the market open, we see a resistance came down, and then low of the week is something here, uh, and VWAP, current week VWAP also here pushed the price up, right? But when again try to reach this level, we see that the market is being pushed down. Okay, so don't worry about this, only we talk about this. When we see this one, two candles crossing the monthly VWAP below, we all know what to do, right? We've been talking about this multiple times. Even if there is stop loss of like it hit maybe 10 points, when you see back-to-back candidates, when you see this kind of a reversal, and when you see that the day level and the monthly VWAP is crossed towards south, take a PE and sit idle, right? So this price is 24,006. Take a 24,000 PE or 24,100 PE because this is the level you want to be very the tough level, right? 20 the weekly high is a tough level. 24,100 PE. You take one PE and then just watch, and you don't have time to you don't even need to talk about exiting because candle to candle to candle it keeps falling here. When you had taken a trade here, when your stop loss is here, at least this should come back here. So when you are in a profit, you put a stop loss from, okay, you might have bought maybe 150 rupees, right? So 24,000 PE, 150 rupees. When this reaches 170, yeah, this level is something like you need to be careful. When it reaches 190, 180, you raise the stop loss by 10 points, 15 points and keep, right? That's how we do the trading. Now, you see, there is a fall here. Here, high of the month, right? High of the month definitely acts as a support. There is a kind of a pushback, but again, daily level pushed down. So it's a one trading opportunity, and I don't need to explain to anyone about this. So the level is this one, where we had this day level and also monthly VWAP level, right? 800 PE. And what is our target? This is the first target, high of the month. What is our target? Low of the month, right? Probably when you raise the stop loss here, when you came down, if you would have actually keep raising the stop loss. If not, also it would have hit the stop loss. But from here, 24,000, you are almost like 350 points down here, and again finally 400 points down. If you look at broad level market overall on the right side, but there are a few stocks which still performed well. I want to talk about that. Okay, so one is Apollo Hospital. Morning itself, first message, you might have seen that this is actually raising it, right? So when this level is crossed here 7,350, and you see this good upside momentum. In fact, it tested 170 points here. So from 7,300 to 7,470, 170 rupees up here today. And then, of course, it closed somewhere here. But overall, in the market is going down, probably because of the hospitals. The stock seems to be going up. I don't know. Okay. So there is a Godrej CP, another stock, also performed well today. So from here, we're seeing this crossing here, rising here, of course, and then the market continued to fall. That may be the reason why it came down here. But here, coming back to Nifty, so depends on the number of cases, what we are going to see in the news. The market may be like, volatile, and the VIX is India VIX, right? The volatility index is actually raised by 11 points. The option prices will go up. So better you stay away. Don't take risk when the volatility is high. It's good to avoid this kind of an options. Yeah. Okay. So that's all from me. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Good night. Thank you.